To make your aquamarine dreams come true this summer, Beachy Waves 101.
We're jumping in with the Rizos Curls. I can roll my R's now that my last name is Martinez. In the summer, I recommend using multifaceted products. This is a refresher for day 2-3 dry hair, or it can be used as a detangler when popping out of the ocean on damp hair, or you can use it as a leave-in conditioner before hopping into the ocean or pool to protect your waves, curls, or coils so that they don't dry out this summer from the salt, the chlorine, the sun, the wind, the elements. Multi-use products are your best friend this summer, and they're gonna save you room in your beach bag. I am not rocking a middle part for no reason, baby boo. We are doing a split test with the Rizos Curls Beach Waves Texturizing Salt Spray. It is in fact sulfate-free with key ingredients like prickly pear, cactus, which helps to prevent breakage and add shine, red algae, which is a great environmental protector, and blue agave, which is a natural humectant to add hydration. I use the same styling products on both sides, but at the end, on this side, we jumped in with the Beach Waves Texturizing Salt Spray.
Go enjoy your mermaid waves and try to find a starfish if you can. I hear they get